we're going to look at something that is offered to pretty much every homeowner, but very little is known about this. We're talking mortgage insurance, and it's not the CMHC home loan insurance. More specifically, this relates to mortgage life insurance. You see, when you purchase a house, the banks would ask you one simple question: would you like to protect your mortgage? And unfortunately, for many homeowners, they are not aware of how mortgage insurance works and what it entails in the long-term effects that it has with your family. We're going to look at the surprising facts as it relates to mortgage insurance, what it entails, and what to do before you decide to make a purchase. It's gonna help you guys to make a better overall decision around your family's financial security. But first, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, or drop a comment down below if you would like to show the channel some love. But my name is Leon Mann. I'm a licensed wealth consultant with Money Assist Financial. And what I do, I help hardworking individuals add an additional multiple 6 to 7 figures to their retirement portfolio. And I also, more importantly, help them to protect the hard-earned money during retirement. Now, when it comes to mortgage life insurance, well, imagine a scenario. Your house is valued at $700,000 and your mortgage has a remaining balance of $500,000. Now, let's say, unfortunately, something happened and you passed away when your remaining mortgage balance was just $200,000. What happens is that the banks will get the death benefit. That is right. So I said the banks become the beneficiary of your mortgage life insurance. And they would use the death benefit to pay off the remaining mortgage balance, which was $200,000. Now, remember, you purchased a $500,000 mortgage life insurance before. So the banks would pay off the $200,000, and the $300,000 that is remaining, they will keep, and none will go towards you or your family. Now let's compare this with an individual term life insurance. You see, with a term life insurance, the death benefit is paid out tax-free. It does not go to the bank, but it goes to your loved ones. They would decide the next move that they would like to make. They could either use the mortgage insurance to invest, pay off the mortgage, or even put something aside for their kids' education. You see, you have more options with a private term life insurance as opposed to having a mortgage life insurance. Now, another thing with mortgage life insurance is that if something happens, the decision is made through a post-claim underwritten process. This means when you pass away and they found a health condition that was not disclosed while you were filling out the application, they pretty much have a right to deny your claim. Now, with a personal term life insurance, the underwritten process is done at the time of the application upfront. So the insurance process will not start unless the underwriting process is complete and you pass the medicals. Therefore, your chance of the death benefit being paid out is a lot higher as opposed to having mortgage life insurance, where the claim is written after you pass away, not upfront. Now, this does not go to show that mortgage life insurance is a bad thing. It is a good thing if you have health conditions and you cannot get insurance. So it's good for people who have health conditions and they can't get insurance anywhere else. But for the rest of us, we have options. You see, the biggest mistake that we find is not that you purchased mortgage life insurance, but is that you forgot to compare the options that you have available. And there are better options that are available to you just in case something happens. As an insurance broker myself, what I do, I help to provide flexible options that is right for you and your family's situation, and where the death benefit goes towards your family's needs instead of having the bank as a beneficiary, right? So before you purchase mortgage insurance, not assume that you're getting the right thing. Ask questions. Know what you're purchasing, how much you're purchasing, and know your options that are available, right? So you have a better decision to make. Remember, your decision today can change your family's financial life tomorrow. If anything unfortunate happens, they would not have to suffer twice. By the way, I hope that this presentation has been informative. If you have any questions with regards to alternative mortgage life insurance, be sure to contact me. I will provide the links, by the way, in the description below, and you can check out my website. And also, if you like any videos as it relates to money, wealth, and financial strategies, follow for more and check out these other videos right here where we turn it up a notch. Thank you guys for tuning in. And until next time, I will see you in the next episode. Peace and love. Take care.